Come test drive the 2024 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, leather seats, low tire pressure warning, compass. Come take a test drive today.